Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, just how big is it all? Like, really, truly, mind-bogglingly big? Well, get ready, because we're about to take a journey to the very edge of everything we know. And I promise, your perspective on your own place in the cosmos is about to change forever. Let's start with something familiar. Our home planet Earth. It feels huge, right? It takes almost 25,000 miles to circle it. But let's zoom out. The distance to our moon is about 238,000 miles. You could fit all the other planets in our solar system neatly between the Earth and the moon. Think about that for a second. All of them. Now, let's head to the sun. It's 93 million miles away. This distance is so useful that astronomers call it one astronomical unit, or O. The sun itself is enormous. You could fit about 1.3 million Earths inside it. But as big as our sun is, it's just an average-sized star. There are stars out there like UY Scuti, a red hypergent, that are so massive, you could fit 5 billion of our suns inside of it. Yes, 5 billion. If you replaced our sun with UY Scuti, its edge would extend out past the orbit of Jupiter. Let's keep going. The edge of our solar system, the Oort cloud, is thought to be about 100,000 O away. Light, the fastest thing in the universe, takes about 1.87 years to travel this distance. This brings us to a new unit of measurement, the light year. It's the distance light travels in 1 year, which is nearly 6 trillion miles. So our solar system is almost 2 light years across. The nearest star system to us, Proxima Centauri, is about 4.2 light years away. It sounds close, but with our current fastest spacecraft, it would still take us over 6,000 years to get there. And that's just our closest neighbor. Our solar system is part of a much larger structure, the Milky Way galaxy. It's a sprawling spiral city of stars, gas, and dust. How many stars? Estimates range from 100 billion to 400 billion. Our galaxy is about 100,000 light years across. If you could shrink the entire solar system down to the size of a coffee bean, the Milky Way would be the size of North America. We're located in a quiet suburban arm of this galaxy, about 27,000 light years from the chaotic supermassive black hole at its center. Feeling small yet? We're just getting started. The Milky Way isn't alone. It's part of a group of about 54 galaxies, called the Local Group. This neighborhood is about 10 million light years in diameter. Our biggest neighbor in this group is the Andromeda Galaxy. It's 2.5 million light years away and contains about 1 trillion stars. It's actually hurtling towards us, and in about 4.5 billion years, our two galaxies will collide and merge into one giant galaxy. Don't worry, the space between stars is so vast that it is unlikely any stars will actually hit each other. But the Local Group is just a tiny corner of an even bigger structure. It's part of the Virgo supercluster, which contains over 100 galaxy groups and clusters. The Virgo supercluster is 110 million light years across. At this scale, entire galaxies like our own Milky Way are just tiny specks of light. You start to realize that what we see in the night sky is just the immediate neighborhood. And even this gigantic supercluster is just one lobe of an even more colossal structure that scientists have named Laniakea, which means immeasurable heaven in Hawaiian. Laniakea is home to 100,000 galaxies, including our own, and stretches over 520 million light years. It's not just a collection of galaxies. They're all moving together, flowing like water in a cosmic river towards a region called the Great Attractor. We don't know exactly what the Great Attractor is, because it's obscured by the dust and gas of our own galaxy. But we know it has immense gravitational pull. Now we're reaching the largest scales we can observe. As we look farther out, we see a vast web-like structure. This is the cosmic web. Galaxy superclusters are not scattered randomly. They are arranged in immense threads and filaments, surrounding vast, mostly empty regions called cosmic voids. These voids can be hundreds of millions of light years across, with very few galaxies inside them. The largest structures in the universe are these filaments and walls of galaxies, like the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, which is a staggering 10 billion light years long. That's more than 10% of the diameter of the observable universe. So this brings us to the final question. How big is the whole asterisk thing? The part of the universe we can see. The observable universe is about 93 billion light years in diameter. Why isn't it just 13.8 billion light years, the age of the universe? Because the universe itself has been expanding since the Big Bang. The space between objects is stretching. So, the light from a galaxy that was 13.8 billion light years away when it emitted that light is now much farther away due to the expansion of space itself. And here's the ultimate mind-bender. That's just the part we can see. The observable universe is just the sphere around us, from which light has had time to reach us. What lies beyond that edge? We simply don't know. Current theories suggest the universe as a whole could be at least 250 times larger than the observable universe. Or it might even be infinite. An endless, unending expanse of space, time, galaxies, and possibilities. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember what you're really seeing. You're not just looking at points of light. You're looking across unimaginable distances and back in time. You're re-seeing a tiny fraction of a cosmic web so vast that our entire galaxy is just a single drop in an immeasurable ocean. It's a humbling thought, but also an incredibly inspiring one. We live in a universe of breathtaking scale and wonder. Thanks for joining me on this journey to the edge of reality. If this video expanded your mind, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more cosmic adventures. What part of the universe's scale blows your mind the most? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, keep looking up.